So I have a client that manufactures buses for the luxury coach market, based in Brisbane. And we were asked to come in. They went through a bit of a quiet period. They knew that they were going to come out bigger and stronger, and they wanted to make sure that they had control over their business at the moment, knowing that when they expanded, they would still maintain that control. So they had parts of a quality management system there. They had some control over their processing and traceability. So what we did is we performed a gap analysis audit to find out where the holes were, and we helped them to fill the holes, and now they have a quality management system that will allow them to go for ISO 9001 certification, which will open up more industry opportunities for them. One of the things that they really wanted was to make sure that the system controlled their design requirements. Within their industry, there's some very strict design requirements that must be met, and you must be able to show that you've met them. So they wanted to make sure that the system focused on that. It's a very important part of the industry and their business. What we did is we made sure that the system put the accountability on the people who managed those particular areas. It's a very it's a process-driven, section-by-section business. And instead of having to rely on the owners to make decisions, we now put that accountability onto the managers and supervisors in those sections, so they have all the information to make the decisions, which means the owners of the business and the senior management, they have more freedom to grow the business, to maybe look at how they can improve the business and also chase the big contracts. What it meant having the system in place and the accountability was that the owners of the business didn't have to be there all the time. They could step out of the business and have the peace of mind that the business is being run and managed the way that they want it to do, which means it's meeting their customer requirements. They could retire when they want, I suppose, is the ultimate thing. Knowing that the business is continuing to run. So that was the main goal that came out of it, was they now have their business under control, and they don't need to be there all the time to watch it. The business owner turns up to whatever jobs he wants to, and he doesn't need to constantly keep an eye on what's going on. He knows that the system is in place so that everybody knows what to do, when to do, and how to do it, and why they're doing it. And he doesn't need to be there to micromanage his team at all. He can step back and enjoy life.